Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how to install Bione. It's a business consulting a lot of SMS with live page builder. Okay, the price as you can see, guys, it's $200. But I'm going to show you guys the extended license with a cheap price. Okay, don't worry about this. So here you don't worry about this to pay $200. So I'm gonna show you the best website to buy this extended license. Okay, guys. So I'm going just to try the website. As you can see, this is the website for the Bione. It has everything you'd like to have in your own website. So it has every single pages like a shop if you want to have a shop. Let me just go to view shop demo. Yeah, this is the shop demo. It has like the part of admin, as you can see, guys. It has the page like the and the part of manage of posts, comments, products, orders, subscribers, and whatever. Okay, guys. So let me just go try. This is just a simple overview. It's not that good, great thing, but we just try to give you guys in this tutorial how to in this tutorial video how to install Bione step by step. Okay. Like if you want to have a lot of like information about it, you can just try to go to Bione on Code Canyon and you're gonna try to have every single information you need. Okay, guys. So the best website to buy this Bione extended license instead of paying $200, you would just try to write here Bione on AutoScript Hub. I will put the link in the description. We just write autoscripthub.com and click search. You will click on this listing and the extended license, you can see, guys, it's $13. Okay, guys. So you will have the extended license. So just click on buy now, try to proceed to checkout, and try to put your email address. Okay, put your email address and put the password you'd like. Okay, and pay with PayPal or with your credit or debit card. After like the payment is successful, the AutoScript will create an account for you, and then you will get this script. Okay, then download it. Okay, guys. After downloading, we're gonna try to go to our Bione here, which is the Bione. I'm gonna try to find my Bione folder. Okay, you will get this Bione.rar. Okay, then just try to like or you will just find this Bione.zip. Okay, after that, let me just try to find out. Okay, you will get this Bione.rar, and then you're gonna try to extract it. Then you're gonna get this document.zip. Okay, and this Bione.zip file. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna try to do is that we're gonna try to install this script step by step using Hostinger. Okay, in this video I'm gonna try to use Hostinger on my domain name. Let me check my domain name first. Okay, as you can see, guys, it's now working because it has nothing. So now we're gonna try to install the script inside this domain name agiscan.com. The first thing that you should guys do is that click on file manager. Okay, and then we're gonna try to upload this bione.zip file into the public HTML. Let me go public HTML, and I already uploaded. Okay, just try, guys, to upload it. Click on this icon file and go to Bione as it is like this. Okay, paste your path here and click on Bione zip open, and it's gonna be uploaded in here. Then what you should do, guys, is that click right and click on extract right here dot, and then click on extract. Then the files will be extracted here in this public HTML. As you can see, guys, it's extracted. Okay, so what we have to do next is that let me close the first thing, those websites with Canyon AutoScript Hub. Okay, by the way, guys, if you don't have a Hostinger, I'm gonna put the link below in the description about how to create Hostinger, and you will get the 25% discount. Okay, guys, you can use it or you don't need to use it, but if you just want to get the 25% discount. Now let me try to go to my domain name agiscan.com to try. Okay, it has, now we got this installer. So click on start installation process, make sure those are available in your hosting, then click on go to next step. Then what we're gonna try to do is that we're gonna just verify our purchase. Put like your email here, email at example.com, and put whatever you want for purchase here. Just put any number you want, is no problem, because this script is already activated for everyone. That's why it's no matter what you put here. Just click on verify. Okay, then it's verified automatically. Okay, guys, don't worry about what you put there, just put whatever you want. Then the first thing that you can put here is that the database host right here 27, okay, 12.7.0.0.1. Then what we're gonna do now is just go back to the dashboard of Hostinger, and we're gonna try to click on databases. Sorry. So what we're gonna try to do is that we're gonna try to write here like a Bione, and we're gonna copy it and paste it the same thing here, and put the password you'd like to be. And I'd like to be like this one, for example, and click create. Now I'm gonna try just to delete this one. It's already like connected to my website. I'm gonna just try to delete it. I'm gonna delete this one. So I'm gonna copy the database name. I'm going back to database setup. I'm gonna just put it like paste it in here, paste the same thing here, and put the database password. This is my database password. Okay. Then click continue. All right. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click on import SQL. Just click on import SQL. We just okay, that's great. Now just you can write the admin name and admin email if you'd like that. Okay, for example this one, and I will put admin 1234. This is just an example, and continue, and it's gonna be like created. Now let me go to login for admin panel. As you can see, guys, let me log in for admin panel, and this is the admin panel. Okay, guys, as you can see, it has everything, and this is an extended license. Now let me go to the website just to see the website. As you can see, guys, this is the website, has every section that exists on Biome. So this is for about, this is for every single home accountant. Okay, so as you can see, guys, you can like set up everything in the admin panel. If you put, I'm sorry, this is for admin. As you can see, guys, this is the part of admin. Okay, then you can on the settings you can or here for example on the appearance you can customize. On the settings you can page settings, you can set up whatever you want here, guys. Okay, so this is for the Bione. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. So as I said before, if you want to buy the script from AutoScript Hub, just buy from AutoScript Hub for extended license without paying that $200. And if you don't have hosting, I will put the link on the description to get 25% discount. And I will put the link to my WhatsApp. If you have any problem, you can contact me via my WhatsApp. And thank you so much guys for watching this video, and have a good day.